How to fix Facebook Messenger switch accounts. Open the settings, go to the apps. When you open the apps, it will take you to this page. Search for Messenger, click on it, click on force stop to stop the app, and then go to the data usage. Disable the Wi-Fi and enable it back again. Go back, click on storage, click on clear data, and click on delete. After you finish, go back to the settings and then go to the wireless add networks and enable the airplane mode for 5 seconds. After that, disable it. And last thing you want to do is restart your phone, and the problem must be solved right now. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this tutorial until the very end. See you later.